Calendula, with its vibrant orange and yellow blooms, is a cheerful sight in any garden. Its bright petals not only add a splash of color, but also bring a sense of joy and warmth to the surroundings. But this flower offers much more than just visual appeal. It attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. For centuries, calendula has been cherished for its remarkable healing properties. Herbalists have long recognized its potential to treat various ailments. Cultures across the globe have turned to this botanical treasure for its soothing and restorative benefits. From soothing skin irritations to promoting faster healing of wounds, calendula has been a go-to remedy. Ancient Egyptians revered calendula for its rejuvenating effects on the skin. They used it in their beauty rituals and medicinal practices, believing it could bring youthfulness and vitality. In India, it holds a place of honor in Ayurvedic traditions, used to address a variety of ailments. Ayurvedic practitioners have utilized calendula for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. During the Middle Ages, European herbalists relied on calendula to ease inflammation and promote wound healing. It was a staple in their herbal medicine cabinets, often used in salves and tinctures. Modern science confirms what traditional healers have known for generations. The wisdom passed down through centuries is now being validated by rigorous scientific research. Calendula, often known as marigold, is a potent healer. This vibrant flower has been used in traditional medicine for its remarkable healing properties. Its petals are packed with powerful compounds, including flavonoids and tryptopanoids, which possess anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. These compounds work synergistically to provide a natural remedy for various ailments. These properties make calendula a valuable ally in soothing a range of skin conditions. From minor irritations to more severe skin issues, calendula offers a gentle yet effective solution. Studies have shown its effectiveness in reducing eczema symptoms, calming diaper rash, and providing relief from various forms of dermatitis. Parents often turn to calendula for its safe and gentle nature. It also promotes the healing of minor burns and cuts, accelerating the skin's natural recovery process. The soothing properties of calendula help reduce pain and inflammation. Its gentle nature makes it suitable even for sensitive skin. Whether it's for adults or children, calendula provides a natural, effective, and safe option for skincare. Incorporating calendula into your daily routine is simple and rewarding. One of the easiest ways is to use calendula-infused products. Look for creams, salves, ointments, and lip balms containing this versatile herb. You can also create your own calendula oil by infusing dried calendula petals in a carrier oil like olive or jojoba. This oil can then be used as a base for homemade salves, creams, or simply applied directly to the skin. Section 4. Simple recipes for radiant health. In this section, we will explore the wonderful world of calendula and how you can use this vibrant flower to create simple yet effective remedies at home. Creating your own calendula remedies can be a rewarding experience. Not only do you get to enjoy the therapeutic benefits of this amazing plant, but you also get the satisfaction of making something with your own hands. For a soothing calendula salve, combine infused calendula oil with beeswax and heat gently until melted. This salve is perfect for soothing dry or irritated skin and can be used on minor cuts and scrapes. Pour the melted mixture into jars and allow it to cool completely. Once cooled, your salve is ready to use. Store it in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency. For a refreshing calendula toner, simply steep a handful of dried calendula petals in hot water for 15 to 20 minutes. This toner is great for calming the skin and reducing redness. Strain the mixture and store it in a spray bottle. This makes it easy to apply and ensures that you can use it whenever you need a quick refresh. Use the calendula toner daily after cleansing to soothe and tone the skin. Its gentle properties make it suitable for all skin types, providing a natural way to maintain a healthy complexion. Section 5. Embrace the gentle power of calendula. Calendula, with its rich history and scientifically proven benefits, deserves a place in every home apothecary. Its gentle yet powerful nature makes it a versatile remedy for a variety of everyday concerns. Whether you choose to purchase pre-made products or embark on your own DIY creations, embrace the magic of calendula and experience its healing touch for yourself.